To use a 401k to buy a house. There are two possible methods. Firstly, an early withdrawal can be made, although this comes with a 10% penalty fee and a 20% income tax. Alternatively, a hardship withdrawal may be possible if the employer and 401k provider are convinced that the funds are needed for a critical expense, such as a house purchase, and there are no other means to raise the necessary funds. The second option is to borrow from the 401k, which is essentially loaning money from one's future self. This type of loan must be paid back with interest, with a maximum borrowing amount of either half of the vested savings or $50,000, and a repayment term of 5 years. Both of these methods can be utilized to access 401k funds for the purpose of purchasing a house.